Are you looking to go solar but you're unsure of which inverter to pair with your system? Watch this video and I will rank the top 5 solar inverters and explain which one will be best for you and your home. Hi, my name is Jack and welcome to my channel Solar Pros, where we cover all things solar. For a while now, I've worked in solar design as well as solar install, so if you're at a place where you're looking to go solar, but you're just really unsure of which inverter to pair with your system, I should be able to help you out with that. Unlike ranking solar panels where the general function of the technology is the same, inverters are harder to rank head-to-head due to the fact that certain inverters serve different use cases than other inverters. The inverter I would recommend to a homeowner who's looking to go fully off-grid would likely be different than the inverter I would recommend to somebody who's looking for a grid-tied option for their residential home. With each of these options, I will mention who they will best serve, so then you can evaluate which one you would prefer for your home. It's first important to note how we're going to be ranking these inverters. With more than 10 common solar inverter manufacturers on the market designed in different topologies, it's important to understand where they win their place in the ranking. Let's go over the criteria. First and foremost, brand and company reputation. How long has this manufacturer been around? How are they respected within the marketplace? Second, inverter topology. Third, endurance and rate of failure. And finally, pricing and availability. Let's get into the rankings. Coming in at number 5, we have the SMA Sunny Boy inverter. One of the oldest manufacturers in the inverter market, SMA is a German-made product which for a long time was one of the only inverter solutions you could get. This product does not include power optimizers, which will unfortunately limit the production of the array to the lowest performing panel if there is shading present or an issue with the panel. Therefore, it is a popular product amongst ground mount systems or homes that do not present shading. As I just mentioned, this product will best serve large commercial or residential ground mount installations, as the optimizer technology is just not necessary nor economical. Though this product can be paired with Tigo Optimizers, which are the number 4 product on today's list. Tigo is a Silicon Valley corporation with their singular focus being on the optimizer itself. Optimizers provide panel level optimization for a solar array in the event of shading or loss of production within a panel. Prior to the introduction of optimizers, residential solar installations on roofs were less common due to the issues with trees surrounding most homes. This was why it was more common to see ground mount systems at the time paired with a single string inverter versus a roof-mounted solar system. With a standard string inverter, the voltage of the string is handicapped to the performance of the lowest performing panel in the event that one panel is receiving soft shading. Tigo optimizers do allow for flexibility to install on specific panels without having to have an optimizer under each module, which helps mitigate the cost. This product has become a less commonly sold inverter solution due to the fact that another manufacturer has produced an inverter and optimizer paired solution, which we will be getting into in a minute. I do want to mention that solar panels themselves have been engineered over time to have shade mitigation technologies with the introduction of the split cell and the multiple busbar design, which is something that I got into on my video where I ranked the top 5 solar panels on the market. Coming in at number 3, we have the Sol-Ark 15K all-in-one hybrid inverter. A common inverter for off-grid solutions, the Sol-Ark 15K is an AC and DC coupled inverter, making it an excellent all-in-one hybrid inverter. The benefit with this inverter is that it can interface with just about any lithium, lead acid, or even deep cycle batteries, meaning that you can install one as part of a solar installation and add batteries from any brand you'd like at any time. Their products are designed and assembled in the USA and come with a standard 10-year warranty. As I mentioned earlier, Sol-Ark inverters are all-in-one hybrids, meaning they can accept AC or DC input power from solar, the grid, and loads such as appliances or other things that require power. Most solar inverters do one simple thing. They convert DC power into AC power that can be used for the home. With this hybrid inverter, that is not the case as it offers additional compatibility. This will be a less commonly sold system amongst installers due to the fact that most installers primarily offer either a string inverter or a microinverter product to be paired with a grid-tied residential solar installation. This product therefore might best serve a homeowner who's looking for a do-it-yourself off-grid solar solution with a combination of generator and backup battery systems. As always, if you're in the process of shopping for different solar options for your home and you need to get a price quote, or you already have a price quote and you need to get a comparison to see if you're getting a good deal, feel free to book a call using the link in the description with likely myself, and we should be able to provide some pricing for you. Coming in at number 2, we have the Solar Edge single-phase inverter paired with power optimizers. A company headquartered in Israel, Solar Edge began production in 2009 and has quickly grown into one of the top inverter brands sold across the United States. SolarEdge holds 40% of the US inverter solar market alone thanks to its unique design and pricing. They use the string inverter topology paired with power optimizers. Most solar systems prior to the introduction of power optimizers used a central inverter where the panels are connected together in a series creating a string, which delivers all the direct current power produced into the inverter for conversion into grid-compatible alternating current. The major drawback to this approach is that the maximum power point tracking is performed for the entire string, and therefore production is limited by the output of the lowest performing panel. SolarEdge addresses this problem with power optimizers, which are small devices placed behind each individual solar panel that offer module level maximum power point tracking before feeding the energy into a central inverter. Power optimizers additionally allow for panel level monitoring of energy production instead of total or string level data, which is provided by the traditional central inverter. The one major drawback to this system is that while it provides panel level optimization, the entire system would still be handicapped to the performance of that single inverter. If the string inverter happens to have a glitch or is not able to work, the entire system shuts down until the issue is resolved. While you will be granted a 25-year warranty on the inverter, the time between it shutting down and getting replaced, your system will not be producing power. Additionally, and I really saw this on the install side, the SolarEdge inverter is known to persist of glitches, and we've seen failure rates between 5 and 15% in the first 4 years with most homeowners. In most cases, this system will be the most economical of all the different systems offered by installers, and availability has never been a concern. One nice thing about these systems is that installation times can be very quick due to the fact that the PV wiring is a lot more flexible on the roof for installers, with the ability for up to 17 modules to be connected to each other on a single string. This really just makes for less jumper cables and overall a much smoother process on the roof. And as I mentioned earlier, this system will allow you to monitor the individual production of each panel, which will all be done within the SolarEdge app, which is in communication with the individual optimizers. I do want to mention briefly that I am not sponsored by any of these companies to rank their product or say their name, nor do I have any biases against any of these manufacturers. I simply make these videos so people can make an educated decision when going solar for their home. So make sure you like the videos so other people can see this content and be informed as well. And finally, we have gotten to the top of the list. Coming in at number 1, we have the Enphase IQ8 Microinverters. A company headquartered in Silicon Valley, Enphase has been in the solar inverter market for the past 16 years, and as of recently, control 48% of the residential solar inverter market. As you can now see, Enphase and SolarEdge combine to control just under 90% of the residential solar inverter market within the United States, which is due to the fact that their product has been specifically made for grid-tied residential homes. Enphase is a company known for offering quality customer service and communication with installation partners. The Enphase IQ8 topology in a residential install will consist of an individual microinverter underneath each solar panel, which are connected in a string with a maximum of 11 modules connected together under one string. The Enphase IQ8 microinverters in some cases will call for an extra data install, which is due to the fact that since you can only fit 11 modules on a string, we'll sometimes have to build additional strings, which leads to more jumper cables, and it also uses a thicker PV wire, which can be more difficult to build those jumper cables. These systems will typically run anywhere from 3 to 5 cents per watt over the price that you would pay for a SolarEdge system due to the reliability that Enphase can offer. As I mentioned earlier, an Enphase system will not be handicapped to the performance of a string inverter, which goes on the side of your home, but will instead require a combiner box, which will likely go where that string inverter would have been installed. The function of the combiner box is to consolidate the interconnection of all the solar strings into a single enclosure, which eliminates the need for a separate subpanel. Combiner boxes on few occasions ever persist of glitches, and the highest rate of failure within an Enphase system will be the microinverter itself, with a failure rate of under 0.5%. Enphase will offer a state-of-the-art monitoring system which will allow you to monitor the production of each of your panels from your mobile device and have an idea for how much electricity you're producing throughout the day. I personally found that a lot of homeowners really like to use this application, and it provides them with a sense of satisfaction to take a glance at how much power their panels are producing throughout the day. Additionally, the Enphase IQ8 microinverters have been built to support multiple backup power options. Enphase microinverters are the only inverter which can be paired with the Enphase Sunlight Backup, which essentially allows for the microinverters along with the panels to form their own grid and provide backup power without having to install a battery. The sunlight backup feature will cost about a fifth of what a whole home battery would cost and will provide you backup power for light loads in your home, such as standard appliances that can plug into a 120 volt wall outlet. Additionally, Enphase has strategically designed their other whole home backup systems to only support integration with IQ8 micros, but that will not prevent you from pairing the microinverters with other backup battery options on the market. I spoke about the Enphase battery in my recent video where I went over the top 5 best solar batteries in 2022, which I recommend you checking out. Without any biases, the Enphase solution is the only inverter solution that I will recommend to homeowners, and I think that a lot of solar designers are going to follow in that footstep in the years to come. Here's a table I have put together which I hope will be able to provide you with enough information to determine which inverter solution is right for your home. It can be really confusing at times to understand which inverter solution is right for your home because of all the different conflicting marketing materials that the companies put out. So my goal with these videos is just to provide an unbiased presentation so then you can go ahead and take this information and make an educated decision for yourself. I hope this video was able to educate you in any way and provide you with information as you look to go solar. At this point with my YouTube channel, I'm just looking to grow by providing consistent value. So if you found this video valuable, I would appreciate it if you could like it or subscribe to the channel so other people like yourself can be more informed when making that decision to go solar. Again, my name is Jack and I will see y'all next time.